Case 90, played with. This is an original unrestored version of the Case 90. It was manufactured by Ertl, and this is the last version to have the vertical grooves in the casting in front of the motor. It has the same body as 1070 and is painted white and orange. The pedals should be black ribbed plastic, not the current style. The decals are on the left side, the right side, and on the front. It has plastic front rims with hat-shaped push nuts and the same tire as the 30. The rear rim is the current high ridge rim with low dome hubcaps. The rear tire is still the 12 by 1 3/4 inch lug tread with no lettering. It has the smaller current hub with small plastic bearings and a black plastic steering wheel and a black plastic seat. The hitch pin is missing, but it should be the current style.